Wow, holy smokes guys, I am so excited. I have hit 1 million subscribers. Oh, you guys are amazing. I never thought that this would happen and I'm incredibly, incredibly thankful. Oh, right, okay, let me just go sort it out.
What? That's very strong for you.
What are you doing here? Come here. You know what's really amazing, guys, is that it's so wonderful for me to have my mum here for this kind of thing because, you know, all I can remember from when I was little was, you know, being in the kitchen, cooking with you, learning. Did you always love my cooking?
Yes.
You are so lying.
Yes.
I mean, you know, so many people say this, but to reach 1 million subscribers for me is just, you know, you guys are what it's all about, and we wouldn't be here, you know, doing what we're doing if it wasn't for everyone watching. I mean, how many times do you get stopped in the street now?
Oh, many times. Someone come to me, say, Mama, no. Oh, we love watching you, Marion. Very proud.
Thanks, Mum. Thanks, Mum.
Congratulations, guys. I've got some friends dialing in as well.
Mum, look, it's everyone. This is my Bangkok team, guys. So
these are the people that have made all of this possible. I miss you guys.
We miss you.
all of you do such an amazing job. I love my team. I miss you. I miss them so much. Have you seen this amazing
card that we have?
Whoa!
Yay, we did it!
We need to frame it on the studio.
I know, we'll have to put it in the studio as soon as I can get back to you in Bangkok. How cool is that, Mum?
Yes.
Everyone, oh my God, I love
yes.
this. So many surprises today.
We actually have one more thing for you.
We're wishing you all the best and a great year ahead. We hope we reach 2 million soon.
Oh, you guys. Oh, that's so, it actually happens to be my birthday today as well. Oh, you guys are so cool. Thank you so much. Oh, so excited to see you. All right, bye. Wow, like not how I was expecting today to go. Today to be able to see everyone, to be able to thank them, you know, for building this, for building Marion's Kitchen, has been amazing, and to be able to thank you guys for being here with me, for watching, for commenting, for just altogether being amazing. I mean, I'm just, you know, I'm so frazzled almost, but very thankful. Thank you, and I'm just gonna eat some cake, I think. Are we going to be able to eat all this cake, Charlie? Yes?